really exactly the same feeling. I feel exactly the same as I felt at the Nürburgring. It's really, I mean, it's very little roll stiffness. High-speed stability is extremely good. On high speed, it goes completely dead straight, and it's really good. And I think the rear is also very important for supporting that high-speed stability. Steering feeling is very good, and this fast steering ratio is really good. Brakes, everything. Drivability, generally drivability is very nice. It's easy. You can drive a car with one hand and just enjoying the drive. It's not doing anything. Very neutral. Very neutral behavior. The package is so well balanced, everything. I could straight away, I could feel my confidence on very high level, even going, when I was just straight away, I was going fast as I could go on that track, and there was no question of confidence, it was straight away there.
私もやっぱりその車に対するコンフィデンスをどこまで高められるかっていうところがすごく重要だっていうふうに考えていて、やっぱりそのコンフィデンスがあって初めてそのスバルの目指す安心と楽しさっていうところが実現できるんだろうなっていうふうに思って開発してます。
I fully agree with Akasan about steering center feeling. It's a very important area. He has done great work with WRX STI on that area. It makes your confidence, it makes car easy to drive, it makes it fast. Good job. Rear grip is also important area that makes car safe to drive. It makes it fast. It makes high-speed stability automatically very good. You ever make mistakes. It's a safety issue. Flat ride is the area which is very important. Four-wheel grip on the ground, it's really important. It makes car behavior nice, it makes it safe to drive, it gives grip. Three-wheel contact to the ground, you lose your confidence to the car.